To my Get Loved Up Daily 100s. I created this series of workouts to really help people when you're on the road, you don't have much time, but you want a full total body strengthening workout. This is my go-to when I'm traveling or when I don't have that much time, and you can do it as a beginner and just do 25 reps, which is what I'm going to show you. But if you are advanced, you can get the most out of this workout and take it to the next level with 100 repetitions, and I'm going to show you how. So go grab a mat or a towel and let's get started. So we're going to start off standing, and we're going to start with squats. You want to bring your feet a little bit wider than hip distance apart, hands at heart center. You want to take a deep inhale and exhale. You're going to take a low squat and then come back up. When you come back up, you're going to squeeze your glutes and you're going to squeeze your abs. And you can do it nice and shallow, or you can go really deep and bring your elbows all the way to your knees. It really depends on your level of fitness. One thing you want to make sure is that your knee doesn't go out over your toe, and make sure your core and your glutes are engaged. All right, we're going to do 25 together. Ready? All right, let's go. Inhale down, exhale up for 1, 2, squeezing to the top, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, keep going, 12, 13, engage your core, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost there, 19, 20, you got this, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Whew. Perfect, I can feel it in my legs and in my thighs. All right, now let's go to abs. Okay, so now we're down for the core work. Hands behind your head, take a deep inhale, and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, crunch up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, almost there, 5 more, 22, 23, 24, and 25. And relax down. That is for your upper abdominal. You're working your whole abdominal, but especially the top part. Now we're going to work the side or the obliques. Take a deep inhale and exhale, lift up for 1, 2, go towards your knee. You don't have to touch it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25 more, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Relax it down. Whew, I'm feeling it already. Make sure you keep the opposite elbow grounded on the ground. That's going to help you lift up. And then move your heel as close as you can to your body. Make sure your fingertips can feel your hand. Inhale. Exhale, lift for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, keep breathing, 15, 16, don't stop, 17, 18, 19, 25 more for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew, good job. All right, you got the top and the sides. Now we're going to do the lower. bring the legs in the air. Inhale as you lift, and then relax it back down. Inhaling and exhale, take a deep inhale. And exhale, lift. 1, 2, 3. Try not to swing your legs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, squeeze the thighs together, 24, and 25. Woo, I'm feeling that in my core. This is so great for your core because you strengthen your core, you strengthen your lower back. And now we're gonna flip over and we're gonna do 25 superheroes. My long body, I always go off the mat in this one. Oh. And this is a perfect stretch for your entire body. You're gonna do opposite arm, opposite leg. So lift the right arm and the left leg, and then lower, then the left arm and the right leg. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, squeeze the glutes, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now same arm, same leg for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Inhale, push yourself up. And exhale, take a moment, settle in child's pose. Inhale, lift. All right, you just have one more. I know this is going by quick, but it also gets your heart rate up. So you're gonna do 25 push-ups. I'm gonna do modified. You can do full if you like. But we're just gonna rock out 25. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Inhale, begin. Exhale up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, this burns, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, come on, 19, I'm burning too, 20, just 5 more, for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, goodness. Let's save the best for last. Whew. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, side out. Completely relax. All right, so it was so quick, so easy. You got your arms, you got your core, you got your legs, your back, and a little booty in there. So just remember, when you think you don't have time to work out, turn on this video, get it done quick, easy, efficient, and safe. Don't forget your daily 100s. If you can't go to the gym, if you can't get your yoga in, at least do your daily 100s. You'll feel so much better, increases your energy, boosts your happy hormones, and you'll be feeling good and energetic for the rest of the day. So thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you haven't already, subscribe, leave your comments below. Tell me what you want to see more of. Tell me what you love. Tell me things you don't love so much, because I'm always looking to improve and serve better. So until next time, love yourself, love others, and love the planet. Get loved up.